my God, I haven't said that for a while. Fully kitted out, ready to rock and yeah, I'm looking for my shoes. They're around the corner, I'm pretty sure. We've just done recce. Everything looks good. 4 stages for this rally, 127-kilometer stage. Quite a long stage in the grand scheme of things. I don't know how the tyres are going to fare. I think they're going to be okay because it is quite cold. Cold conditions mean studs stay on the block and don't move too much, so grip hopefully should be good. Hopefully we don't have to clip that and there should be no famous last words. But more importantly, let's head over to the service park, see the team, get this show on the road.
Into 1 left long, tightens 2 long, stay 60.
I'm pretty sure it's negative degree, but I am pumping right now. What a car, what a pleasure. Amazing first 2 stages, very slippy, much slippier than the test. The ice is really, really, really nice. So breaking on quite a lot of gravel in the test, and this is, yeah, as I say, very strong ice. So got to change a few things just to see how it feels, see what it's like for me. I think we're second by 2 seconds. So we've got almost 2/3 of the rally to go, a lot to do. We've now got a 2-hour break, so Pilates.
No, I am, because I'm going to lose my job.
I'm going to take this off because I'm absolutely steaming. Not the way we would have liked to end. I visited a bank. Funnily enough, a bank that didn't provide me with something and I didn't give it any money. It just held me captive. A really solid white bank that is not my friend. We haven't really had the chance to properly debrief from the rally yesterday. There was only 4 small stages, so we didn't have much time to make content in the middle. And this particular rally, being my first rally in an R5 car, first rally in a 4-wheel drive car, we were trying to focus on the job really and do the content side afterwards. It didn't quite go fully to plan, the rally, but I don't think we had in mind that we'd be sitting 1.5 seconds off the lead after 2 stages, or 2.5. 2.5? 2.5. Oh, if that was off, I knew that I would have gone slower. Disaster. We were in a perfectly good environment, really nice rally, really nice conditions, quite difficult conditions, very, very good ice. So it was actually quite slippy. That sounds ironic, but I thought the studs might grip a little bit harder. They didn't, but I ended up getting caught out on the snowy bits. So you live and you learn. The most important thing is we're in a rally that we could do that. We had the chance this week to learn, do a lot of different things, try a lot of new things, and I tried out the snowbank. So boxes ticked, most importantly a lot learned. Now back to the UK to start really getting the ball rolling, to start really launching these things. There's a lot coming, there is a lot that's already happened, but our content's coming thick and fast now. We're going to do some proper stuff. We've been making the most of the small amounts of time we spent in the car. So we're going to spend a bit of time doing a few different things. Play around in the decent car, Skoda. We might even get the chance to run out in the proper car, Nissan, obviously. And with those two going, I mean, what more can you ask for? We have a plan, we have a lot going on. The only thing you need to be doing right now is hit subscribe, hit like, hit that bell icon. Bell icon?
Bell icon.
Bell icon. And we will see you next week, 6 PM, for a bit of a behind the scenes video, something a bit slower, just to let you know how the week went, show you a bit more into what we did, and then the fast paced stuff will be coming. Will be really coming.